Alright, so this is Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Voyager Grindor. I think I pronounced that right. So this is a repaint of Transformers, the first movie of Blackout, a repainted Blackout. His minion Scorponok is also repainted from brown to black. I think Blackout is better than this one, you know, just because of the color. So yeah, first, I kind of lost the things that were supposed to like hide these things here. So yeah, that's the only thing I'm missing. And you can kind of see this part here is kind of like dark. That's because I put Sharpie there, and yeah, it was on accident, and then so I use axe to get that off. So yeah, he has a Decepticon symbol right there. I think that's the only one there, the only Decepticon symbol there. What kind of sucks about this guy is that he's kind of short for someone who's big in the movie. And as you can see here, I didn't like push these in properly. That's because if I try to push it in, this happens. See, this happens. So if I like try to push this in and then push this in, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, you know. It really doesn't need this front landing gear, you know. Looks okay without it. So if you press this button here, it rotates the rotors. This rotor here, the tail rotor, also can rotate. The rotors can rotate very well, but it's kind of like blocked because it has this here, the cargo. See, it's faster without it like clipped in. So there's a button right here, so if you press it, it opens the cargo hold, and then it takes and Scorponok drops out. So that's kind of cool. Scorponok is small. You can't do anything without him. He's pretty okay, I guess. Blackout Scorponok is brown. This one's black. The only thing that you can move is this, the tail. Yeah. So that's kind of cool that like, if you press that, this falls down. That's mostly it. And he has landing gears here, here, here. So to transform him, you need to like open this, like bring that down, and then like rotate it to the side. To the I just took that off on accident. And then just rotate it to the right, and then peg it in there, and it's solid. Then bring this down, bring that down, then unpeg these. First you would need to like find the place in the rotors where you can like push it in. You guys probably don't know what I mean. This, you see, if you push these in together, they are like that. So then just bring the rotors like that. Then take that down. Then bring down the legs, and then unpeg these from the cab. The cockpit, and then this comes out, the head. Oh, my bad. There's another Decepticon symbol right there on his chest. And then rotate the hips, the waist, then rotate the legs, bring the feet down, go to the back, open that, and then the heel should be there, and then bring that down. Same thing with the other side. Bring that down. Then press this down, and then that comes out. This is what I usually do. I just like take the arms off, and then just like push this in like that. Then the arms, bring the arm down, rotate it, then yeah. Then just peg it back. Oh yeah, mine broke. As you can see, this thing here, I have this one perfectly, but this one's broken. You see, this one's broken. Yeah, so that kind of sucks. Then rotate these, and then the missiles are exposed. Then put these up. You can also like put these missiles down here. You know, it's really your choice, but if you want to make them look taller, then make it like that. So yeah. And there you go. Apparently Scorponok fell out of his cage. There you go. He's, like I said, short for someone who's big in the movie. Not bad. So in the first movie, he had a chest gun here that pops out, but this one doesn't, so that sucks. His arm can't go 360, like can go that far and then go back that far, and in and out, but it's kind of hard. It's hard to like move it. The arm can rotate 360. I think it's on a ball joint. Can bend 90. The wrist can also bend 90 as well. The head 360. It has LED piping, and what that means is that it has a red here. You guys can't see that right there. So if you shine light there, the eyes will light up. Legs front and back, side to side. You can bend. The leg can rotate 360. You can move the toes like up and down, but that's it. So that's mostly it, guys. And you can like take out Scorponok, you know, with you. So that's mostly it, guys. So thanks for watching.